We can't wait to get to Mike Patton for the final trade of the day. Mike, a busy time in the market. What's your stock pick?
There is lots of big earnings surprises, of course, in tech. But I'm actually looking at a stock that's not in tech. It's Nike, a stock that a lot of people haven't been speaking about for a while. Symbol, of course, is NKE, and of course, a company we're all familiar with. I do think Nike is overdue for some upside. Currently, the stock's trading around $100 a share, but it shows really strong fundamentals. I think the valuation is really in a good spot right now. And we're also seeing some institutional activity coming in to buy. So I do see some good upside potential. As of right now, stock's looking like it's looking here. I believe we have upside potential to anywhere from $125, maybe up to close to $150 a share within the next several months or so. So looking like a great opportunity. Now, if it does, however, come back down, and let's say the stock is trading down to somewhere around $90 a share, maybe lower than that, I would say that would be good evidence that the momentum or the opportunity is no longer there. But as of right now, it looks like a solid bargain. So hopefully we'll see some upside on that soon.
$150 would be a sizable jump. Can you pin down a bit more on how long you would wait for Nike to get to your target? And what could go wrong with Nike?
6 months to a year. What could go wrong with the trade would be that maybe everyone decides that Nike's not that valuable. But here's the thing. If we look at it from a fundamental perspective, right now, the P ratio is in the lower end of the typical range that we've seen over the last 5 years. That's both for trailing and forward. The price to book is in a very good valuation as well. So I'm looking at the ranges that the stock has been in for these valuations over the last 5 years, and every metric except for maybe one, the price to earnings growth, only in that metric is it's in like the normal range for that, but everything else is in the green. And we're also seeing some good institutional buying activity coming in. So when you see that, we have basically 65 fewer major funds selling this stock. We have 55 more buyers. It's in next year, it added one more top 10 list for holding. So you are seeing some buying coming in. And my opinion is that when you look at it, if a stock has a long history of being profitable and it happens to currently be at a price that's at a bit of a discount, this is the type of stock that people usually snap up, as opposed to maybe, a Meta or an Amazon, which suddenly are, gapping much higher. But the question would be, yes, I mean, I'm not saying their prices are unjustified, but if you buy it right now, how much farther up do you think it will go? Is there, so we do have some upside for those too, but not like we have for some of the other stocks. There are other stocks I have in mind too, but Nike seems like one of the ones that's really well situated for some potential upside.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.